Hi guys, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. iMessage is a free instant messaging service from Apple which allows you to send unlimited pictures, videos and texts to other users for free. Have you ever accidentally deleted iMessages? Do you know how to recover deleted messages? Today we will discuss how to recover deleted iMessages on Mac. First, you need to figure out where the deleted iMessage is stored. By navigating to the Library Messages folder on your Mac, you will see the Archive folder, Attachments folder, and a file named ChatDB. Now, let's start the iMessage recovery. Method 1. Recover deleted iMessages on Mac using software. When you delete a conversation from iMessage on your Mac, the content of the ChatDB file is changed, but the file still exists on your computer. That's why you can use data recovery software to recover deleted files. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac is such a tool that can recover deleted files on Mac OS. Step 1. Launch EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac and choose the disk where you lost data. Then click Search for Lost Files to start scanning. Step 2. After the scan, use the File Format filter on the upper right corner to find the deleted chat files you need. Step 3. Click Recover to restore the lost data to a local or cloud drive. Now we have finished the process. You can see the recovered ChatDB files can be found in the folders on the desktop. Open the iMessage and you can see the files return. Method 2. Another way to see deleted messages on Mac is by using iCloud. Access the iCloud drive. Look for the Recently Deleted option in the iCloud drive. Choose the chat files and click Recover. Method 3. Recover deleted iMessages on Mac using Time Machine. As long as you back up Mac data with Time Machine, follow these steps to recover deleted messages from the Time Machine backup. Open Time Machine Backup on your Mac. Select the Library folder from the menu. When the Messages folder comes up, locate a file with the ChatDB name and a date before the date the files you are looking for were deleted. Select the file and click Restore. That's all about recovering deleted messages on Mac. Don't worry about losing messages. Try the solutions mentioned before to get them back.